GBM, training Nagaland Olympic Association Hall. Now I would like to give time to Shri Mainstay Haikal, Joint Secretary and CA for the vote of thanks.
Secret computers, distinguished guests, esteemed sponsors, parents, players, and members present here. On behalf of the Nagaland Chess Association, I would like to express our deepest gratitude and appreciation. I thank the Almighty God for enabling us to conduct successfully the 31st Nagaland State Chess Championship 2025, which has come to an end today. I am extremely grateful to our sponsors who have enabled us to conduct the tournament. Their timely support has been a beacon of hope, helping us overcome financial hurdles. We're grateful for their trust in us and look forward to their continued support even in the days to come. Our heartfelt thanks to Sri Chekro Peso, who kindly allowed us to use their camera for our live coverage, which helped maintain peace and silent environment inside the tournament hall. We're grateful to the Olympic Association for granting us the permission to conduct the tournament in this building and providing access facilities. We thank and appreciate the extensive coverage and support from all the media persons. Big thanks to the volunteers who has helped us in arranging the tournament halls. Huge appreciation to the arbiter team for ensuring smooth and successful tournament. Special thanks to all the chess players for their participation, discipline, and sportsmanship throughout the tournament. And dear parents, we are indebted to you for your unwavering support and enthusiasm. Your presence and encouragements have been instrumental in nurturing our young talents. Thank you everyone for this tournament, for the success of this tournament. We look forward for your encouragement and support even in the future. Thank you so much.
Has come to your end. I will be declaring the result. But before that, I would like to say that this time new players have come, and all timers who have been not participating actively in the tournament before have also come and participated. We are very happy about that, and we want to encourage everyone to keep coming, and let's try to reach at least 100 players in future tournaments. Let's give a big round of applause for those newcomers and that all kind of experience. I also want to say that not everyone can be the winner in the tournaments. There will be some winners, and there will be only some winners. Not everyone can be the winners. So it is normal not to be the winner. And especially in chess, winning is not so important at our level. Learning is very important. So I want you all to bear that in mind and not worry about losing the games. And now I will declare the results. The best player under 7 goes to Monclar for the couple. Please give a round of applause for him. And the best middle player goes to Chobi Pindi. The champion of under 10 goes to Otsi Pindi. And first runner-up under 10 goes to Demen Minzo. Second runner-up under 10 goes to Jeremy Limon. The champion of under 14 goes to Jitito Neka. under 14 goes with Kevin said, he is up to. And then the champion of the first Nagaland State Chess Championship 2025 goes to Kevin Zungu. And the second goes to Helen Dumbe. Third goes to Sanko Yeta. And fourth position goes to Mukao. These four players will be representing our state in the 62nd National Chess Championship, which is going to take place at Guntur District, Andhra Pradesh, from 21st September to 21st August 2025. Thank you.